Hello, this is Andrew. On this video, I'm going to discuss the role of mechanical trading systems. And mechanical trading systems, really, there's benefits, definitely benefits. I mean, first of all, when you run one of these mechanical trading systems, you kind of eliminate to some degree the emotional and psychological issues through the fact that there's nothing subjective. Everything is already or should be thought out on a day-to-day basis, or even if you're trading intraday. The idea is like this. The main benefit is that you have, let's say, rules or formalized rules that you've tested over past data, and then you have somewhat of an expectation of what to expect or receive as far as drawdowns, risks, and also rewards. But the problem is this, that too many people, they optimize this. They optimize the markets they want to pick. Like they'll go and test in their trading systems the best markets. But the problem with that is that's past performance. You never know what markets are really going to work or which markets are going to break out. So, I mean, that's one of the issues. And then it goes back to optimization as far as the variables for it. And the problem is people don't go with a robust idea. And then what happens in the real world, they're kind of shocked. The real world of trading is rather tough, and there's all different types of issues that can happen. I mean, like some of the issues, like that people never really take into account are, let's say if you're not intraday trading, but you're taking position trading, that there's a thing called like overnight gaps. There are times that if it's a stock or if it's a commodity, they move completely against you. And some of these are just so significant and so like Six Sigma. I mean, I've been trading since '94, but I've been watching the markets and involved, but I really wouldn't say I was really getting it until '94 or even start trading. But there were some gaps that I remember back in the Gulf War, the first Gulf War, where crude oil, it made such a gap where everybody thought in the world that when the Gulf War was going to start, the crude was just going to go through the roof because of the uncertainty of the war. And it's something like it was at $30 a barrel. But then the first night that the U.S. and all its allied forces started bombing Iraq, and it showed that it could be a quick victory, the price of crude gapped down about $7.50. $7.50 is approximately $7,500 on a one lot on a contract. This can happen. You can also use the example of the S&P 500. Things gap, things move. So you really have to prepare for the unexpected. The only thing that's certain with trading is the uncertainty, because there's always this drawdown out there, and the problem is people look at these trading system results and over-optimize them, and they just kind of delude themselves. So really what it comes down to is, I guess the point of this video is there's nothing perfect. These trading systems are good, very good. I use them for my trading. It makes the thought process go a lot easier and simpler, but don't think they're the holy grail. That there are going to be times that there are going to be gaps or limit moves against you, that maybe your system isn't going to show you. And the other problem too with these systems is people overanalyze them. They optimize them, and they what's the word I'm looking for? Determine actually how much money they really need. Sometimes these systems have huge drawdowns. Really, the whole key is my idea of my course is to give you everything what to expect, so there's no surprises. If you have surprises, you're going to stop trading. And this isn't the goal. The goal is to keep you trading, to have money compounded over long periods of time. And the only way you can really do that is to know what you really expect and to live it. I appreciate you coming to my site, trendfollowingmentor.com. On trendfollowingmentor.com, you can sign up and learn how to be a trader, a consistent trader. I give away a 40-page trend following report that I think could be extremely beneficial to you. And again, I invite you to be one of my students. Thank you.